Do you know how to make idli?
Yeah, I don't know.
You don't know. You are from South India, Tamil Nadu. You also don't know then. How, which food do you know?
Eat only.
Which food do you know how to make?
Dosa.
Dosa.
Those I will do these things,
Okay.
but I don't know how this.
Cook this.
Yeah.
Okay, then which I came here first year. Even I did not also like too much South Indian food, but during staying day by day, sometimes college food I eat, but sometimes I did not eat because of some reason. I don't tell you. But when I purchase outside food, I did not like it in earlier days. But nowadays I like it too much, like a tomato rice, lemon rice, egg rice, or chicken rice, biryani. Everything here I like it. But in early days I don't like it. But why I do? Because my taste is not like that. We have always eaten like food like in my native place, like food whatever the given the dal simple chawal dal
Sambar,
sambar. You are saying that sambar, but we in our state they are saying the vegetable sabji. That things we eat in our North India side. Okay, so good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and my dear friends. A warm welcome to all of you, my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel. They are uploading YouTube English content related to public speaking, how to speak the public in the front of the public. So this all guys, my friend. He's from Bihar. Also. First of all, my dear friends, how are you?
I am fine.
And what is your name?
I am Abdul Reza from Bihar, West Champaran district.
Okay, that's good. So, what is your name?
By the way, my name is Fahad. I'm from here, Tamil Nadu.
You are from Tamil Nadu. Okay. Okay. So, what is your name?
My name is Muhammad Jishan. I am from Bihar.
He's from. See, the all only one guy is here. He's from only Tamil Nadu. But otherwise, we all three members we stay in the Bihar. I came here. We came here just for the studying engineering. So now I'm going to ask the questions. He will give the reply. Everything, whatever I'm going to ask. They will reply me, and then we are doing practice like this, like that. If you want to speak English, you should also ask someone question and speak like that. So first of all, good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
How are you?
I am fine, sir.
Where are you from?
I am from Bihar, sir.
What do you do?
Now I am studying engineering, electrical and electronics, sir.
Electronics.
Hmm.
So from where you are doing a study?
In Tamil Nadu, I am studying
Which department you are doing a study?
electrical and electronics department.
You are doing here engineering.
Hmm.
Okay, what is your aim?
My aim is a businessman.
Or you want to become a businessman?
Yeah,
That's great.
correct, yeah.
He said he want to become a future a businessman. Right now he is doing engineering. Okay, now I'm going to ask my friend also. He's from Tamil Nadu. Okay, brother, how are you?
I'm fine.
Where are you from?
I'm here only Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu. Which place of the Tamil Nadu?
In Tamil Nadu, Dindigul. It's near Madurai.
Madurai. Oh, see, he is from Madurai actually. So what do you do here?
I'm studying here.
Which subject you are doing study here?
Yeah, I'm doing ADS, Artificial Intelligence.
Artificial intelligence. So you are which year you are?
I'm now doing second year.
Second year. So you don't know final years friends, you know?
Yeah.
You don't know, I think. Okay. So how many family members do you have?
Yeah, there are 4 members.
See, he is speaking very good English. And okay, what does your father do?
My father is a farmer.
Your father is farmer. And what does your mother do?
Homemaker.
How many brothers do you have?
No brothers.
You are the only one brother in your family. Okay, how many sisters do you have?
Yeah, one sister I have.
One sister. What does your sister do?
She is doing Hafil.
Study.
Studying Quran. Studying about
Yes,
Quran.
yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
She's
Hafiz
you can
al-Quran.
say she's doing a study. Just simply don't say another things.
Okay.
She's doing a study. Simply you can say. Okay. So what is your goal?
My goal is become to be an entrepreneur.
Oh, that's great. See, he also want to become a businessman, an entrepreneur. That is great things in our world because nowadays the people are doing only job. They are not focused how to develop or give the job. See, he is only one person here. He is doing great things here, Tamil Nadu. Okay. So how do you see your leader?
He want to be a good one. Yeah,
Okay. Are you happy now? Whatever you are doing?
yeah.
Who advised you to give to take this branch?
My mommy's friend.
Your mom friend.
Yeah.
Okay, that's great. Your mom is know about the education.
Yeah, something she will know.
See, no, see, if our family is not educated, na, so what will happen? Our children, they are not educated too much. But if our family members, anyone educated, they can give you more things and more things. And now I'm going to again ask you to, after 5 years, where will you want to see yourself?
In a higher position, like in job, higher job.
Okay, that's great. See, he want to become a higher position in after 5 years. Okay, so what are your hobbies?
My hobbies, I used to pray, and I will read books, and I will do use mobiles.
Oh, that's great. Do you know social media game?
Social media game.
Yeah, like you are. Some people are playing PUBG, Free Fire. Do you know
Yeah,
these
yeah,
things?
yeah. I do play these things.
Do you know cricket?
Yeah, cricket, outdoor games,
Outdoor games. You know. Which player do you like in our India? Cricket.
cricket.
I think it's Virat Kohli.
Yeah, Virat
See,
Kohli.
everyone here, South Indians, like the Virat Kohli. I don't know why, but because every year South Indian people, they think that the god is the Virat Kohli, because only one times they win the Bangalore after 22 years. They are facing the lots of problem, then facing the lots of hard work, then after that they won the match one times 2025. So now I'm going to ask my friend, he is also from somewhere. Now I'm going to ask, how are you, friend?
I am fine.
And where are you from?
Bihar.
He is also from Bihar. Okay, so what do you do here?
I am pursuing BTech here.
You are pursuing BTech here. So be loud, because you are I think like that you are not loud, you are not motivated. So you always be motivated and speak loudly. Okay. Then after that your voice will be clear. Whenever you want to speak something, you will speak very fluently and easily, very well. That's why I'm going to say like this. Okay. So what do you do here?
I am pursuing BTech here.
Okay, that's great. What is your What is your goal?
My goal is to go any companies where my skill is developed more.
Okay, that's great. What is your long-term goal?
My long-term goal is to make money.
To make money. So, do you think that after 10 years and 15 years, I want to become a millionaire, a billionaire person like that?
No, I am simple boy. I need money all.
So, why don't you think like that?
I think money is everything in this world.
No, I did not ask this thing. I think I ask you, so you do not think that after 5 years and 10 years, I want to become a millionaire, a billionaire person, like the more money, not money, more money, like a richest person.
No, that's not good.
Why is it? Do you have fear that someone has stolen my money?
No, no, no. This is not the reason. My reason is, if you have more money, you have to answer the question in Jannah. What you do in
No,
more
if you
money.
have a good money, honesty money, nobody will ask you. If you are giving the government GST with the proof and everything, you are doing well, nobody will ask you. If you are helping the people, if you have money, then nobody will ask you. God will also pray you and give you bless lots of things. Okay, what does your father do?
My father is a businessman,
And what does your mother do?
housewife.
How many siblings do you have?
3,
Three. How many brother do you have?
2 brothers.
You are the elder one or younger one?
I am the youngest one.
Youngest. What does your brother elder younger? You are elder or younger?
Younger.
Younger. What does your brother elder one? What he do?
Both are graduated. I have 2 brothers. Both are graduated and simply doing any jobs.
Simply he is doing also job. Okay. What does? How many sister do you have?
Only one.
What she is doing?
She is a BPSC teacher, and no, before 5 years he is married.
Okay. So that's great. Okay. So what are your hobbies?
My hobbies is very vast. I like to play music. I like to play cricket.
Oh, that's
I like to pray.
I like to sing
I like to
songs.
read.
that thing. See, they have a lots of hobbies, because the people, if they don't have hobbies, they can't change his life, because whatever you hobbies is there. By the hobby you can change your life. See, some people are doing yoga, some people are doing dancing. See, we have seen the people, some people do, they have a hobby like a dancing. They are doing practice every day, dancing. Definitely they one day become a good dancer, and they utilize the dancer. Then after that, they are making money also by the using of dance skills. Okay, now I'm going to talk about another topic. So which food do you like?
Biryani.
In South India, which food do you like?
South India, idli, dosa.
Idli dosa. Do you know how to make idli?
No, I don't know how to. It's
Do you know how to make idli?
Yeah. I also don't know.
You don't know. You are from South India, Tamil Nadu. You also don't know then. How, which food do you know?
Simply eat only.
Which food do you know how to make?
Dosa.
Dosa.
Those I will do these things,
Okay.
but I don't know how this.
Cook this.
Yeah.
Okay. Then which do you know which food South India is famous?
Like idli or dosa.
Only idli dosa. But I have seen I have
But
heard that.
I like also takali in the sense of Tamil Nadu. Yes, so many person tell like na takali is English word is tomato rice.
Oh, see, tomato rice is famous here, South India, and Tamil Nadu is also Karnataka is also. So not only tomato rice,
But
lemon rice also there.
But I
and
don't know how to making takali and tomato rice. Both are same, but I don't know. But the taste is super quality.
Yeah.
I go to outside of the shop now. I will purchase this takali also, idli, dosa. So many in number of variety in Tamil Nadu food, but it's so tasty.
See, when I came here first year, even I did not also like too much South Indian food. But during staying day by day, sometimes college food I eat, but sometimes I did not eat because of some reason. I don't tell you. But when I purchase outside food, I did not like it in earlier days. But nowadays I like it too much, like a tomato rice, lemon rice, egg rice. Or chicken rice, biryani, everything here I like it. But in early days I don't like it. But why I do? Because my taste is not like that. We have always eaten like food like in my native place, like food whatever the given the dal, simple chawal, dal,
Sambar,
sambar.
like,
You are saying that sambar, but we in our state they are saying the vegetable sabji. That things we eat in our North India side. Okay, so see guys, we done 17-minute practice rapid fire. That is amazing. If you want to speak like that me, you should also do practice, and don't forget to subscribe and channel my YouTube channel and like. If you want to like practice, you should also watch this video and like and subscribe this channel. Okay, thank you so much guys. Bye bye.
Bye bye.